Hello friends, how are you? Today I will show you most important and surprising fact in Tesla Model X. The Tesla Model X is a fair-size all-electronics extravagance hybrid made by Tesla Inc. The vehicle is prominent in that it utilizes bird of prey wing everywhere for traveler access. The Model X was created from the full-sized vehicle foundation of the Tesla Model S. The Model X has an EPA size class as SUV and offers 30% of it is substance with a Model S half of the initially arranged 60% and with around 10% more. Both Model X and Model S are being delivered the Tesla factory in Fremont, California. The model was uncovered the Tesla's plant studio, Hawthorne, California on February 9, 2012. First conveyance of the Model X started in September 2015 following entry 1 year in 2016. The Model X positioned 7th among the world's smash hit module vehicle. As of April 12, 2021, the Model X is just as accessible as the long range with an expected EPA scope of 360.4 miles and the Flying model with an expected EPA scope of 339.9 miles. Both accompany Tesla's Autopilot driver help framework. Receptions. Pressure reports confessed that the all-wheel drive Model X 19D to a great extent defuels as brake entryways are insulated to stopping and holding the second line situated that cannot be collapsed, and the fire rate limit excessively restricted indeed even its all encompassing helicopter like windshield was opposite as it's anything but colored enough to counterbalance the splendor of a radiant day. Likewise, customer reports added that generally speaking, the rate is excessively firm and uneven from 110,000 vehicles and driver notwithstanding. Some analysis of the Model X bird of prey wing interior supported the all-encompassing windshield expressing where lift standard similarly slack Zawar travels unendingly looking vertical loss of function wing entryways along the windshield is the Model X best track in generally. It's anything but a rating 5 stars expressing the could not be other electric SUV right now. Furthermore, even against petroleum product took care of SUVs, the Tesla easy exhibiting and effectiveness cannot be coordinated. Motoring writing Jeremy Clarkson made his first survey of Tesla vehicles following 10 years on his TV shows The Grand Tour in February 2018. Clarkson gave a positive audit of the vehicles that he called remarkable. That is not normal for anything out and about. Legal advisors were available during the audit. Unfortunately, on the grounds that Clarkson passed sharing survey of the first Roadster crashed a claim. The 2016 Model X was named one of the main 10 tech vehicles 2016 by IEEE Spectrum. On November 16, 2015, the Tesla Model X was picked at Autoguides.com 2016 Reader's Choice Green Car of the Year and Luxury Utility Vehicles of the Year grants. The model was noted for its hack-wing intuitive long-range productivity and speed increases. On November 8, 2016, the Model X was granted the Golden Steering Wheel, perhaps the most lofty car grants of the planet in the huge SUV class. Possibility for the honor and designed by many thousands across Europe of grandness across 6 classes. The golden steering wheel jury made out of expert race vehicles drivers, achieved professionals, editor, creators and computerized and network specialists. Then at the point went through 3 days making a design about Tesla Model X. On November 18, 2017, the American Automobile Association named the Tesla Model X 75D its top green vehicles, generally speaking just as best in the SUV minivan classification with a score of 100 by 130. The vehicles scored 10 by 10 for its EPA association score. Crosswitness, fuel economy and largest capacity is spite of the fact that confided toward autopilot and the Model X glass rooftop support its hack wing interiors and endorsed the vehicle's presentation, expressing that its speed increase a smooth and sold just like the slowing down. On June 8, 2017, the Model X was granted the Australian Good Design Award in the automotive and transport classification. The plan of the vehicles was decided as set with a athletic form while staying corresponding following through on the practical type of a hybrid of SUV and individual mover. The plan stays consistent with a games SUV. On December 11, 2017, Forbes named the Model X 100D Best Vehicle of the Year, expressing that Tesla makes yes in award bearing vehicle on the parkway appear to be burdensome award relic of the twin country. On May 15, 2018, the Tesla Model X and Qantas set the Guinness Worldwide Best for Habitat 2 by an electric creation traveler vehicle. The Model X had the option to a 2,87,000 IV, being 787.9 almost 1,000 feet on runway at Melbourne Airport, which exhibited the force of vehicles while also demonstrating and reasonableness of a electric powertrain. The Tesla Model X confirmed analysis in 2016 for issue with a bird of prey wing NTOS, which once in a while did not open to or took opportunity is some early creation units, and the windows which at time did not open or close as far as possible. Tesla resolved the issue with a few programming refuses and no realized issues stage, and the 8 framework was delivered on June 27, 2016. Tesla says a claim over ease of use concurs toleration that the Model X was hiring to creation before it was prepared, and by October 2016 Tesla guaranteed the issue had been diminished by 92%. In 2017, Chinese paper Zhua revealed the security scientist from Kane Security Lab the Tencent had the option to distantly overhaul the Tesla Model X, permitting them the distantly open the vehicle's NTOS, flicker the light and control their brakes. They discovered multi-day weakness that permitted them to put a new framework. The lead specialist for the group said they educated Tesla regarding the discoveries, and the vast majority of the vehicles were fixed by a update 1 month after Tesla was made mindful of issues. As of October 2017, Tesla has had 4 item well-being reviews the Model X. On April 11, 2016, Tesla willfully reviewed 2700 Model X because of security concern. During crash testing, it was tracked down that the third line sets we would unlock and overlap over to subsequent clones. Tesla asked clients to try not be utilize the third line sets until after fix. On April 20, 2017, Tesla given overall review of 53,000, 70% of the 76,000 Model S and Model X vehicles it sold in 2016 because of broken leaving brakes that influenced the Model S and Model X. The review casted Tesla stock to lost 2% of its value and added further inquiries concerning the unwavering quality of Tesla vehicles. In October 2017, Tesla gave a 11,000 vehicle review for broken charging link component in the subsequent Clemon sets, assessing that about 3% of received vehicles might be influenced. In February 2020, 50,000 vehicles reviewed because of optional force controlling issues. June 13, 2017, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration declared its accident testing result for the 2017 fabricate the Tesla Model X, uncovering five-star appraisals in completely evaluated classification. The lone SUV to save done as such, Tesla ascribed the evaluations of security contracted plan, notwithstanding a low focal point of groundly coming about because of its better fact, adding something being bearing about a five-star rating. The information from Nuts trying shows the Model X has a most minimal likelihood of injury of any SUV it has any point tired. Truth be told, of the multitude of vehicles Nuts has at any point tired, Model X's generally likelihood of injury was second just two models S. The Model X has been tired and gotten 5 star from Euro NCAP, yet has not been tired the Insurance Institute of Highway Safety.